Did you know you share more than half your DNA with a banana? That's right. Humans and bananas share 50 to 60% of the same genetic code. This isn't some weird science joke, it's real. Here's why this happens. Billions of years ago, all life on Earth came from the same tiny ancestors. As different creatures evolved, they kept the most important genes, the ones that keep cells alive. Think about it. Both you and a banana need to make proteins, divide cells, and create energy. These basic life processes work exactly the same way in almost every living thing. The similarities don't stop there. Humans share 99% of DNA with chimpanzees, 90% with cats, and even 25% with rice plants. What does this mean? DNA proves that every living thing on Earth is connected. We're all part of one giant family tree that goes back billions of years. So next time you eat a banana, remember, you're literally eating your very, very distant cousin. Mind-blowing, right?